Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know how frustrating it can be juggling multiple AI tools, one for writing, another for design, another for coding, and before you know it, you're paying for 10 different subscriptions every month. Well, I recently came across something called Essence AI, and it's honestly one of the most interesting, all-in-one AI platforms I've seen so far. Essence AI claims to combine over 100 of the world's leading AI models, including ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, MidJourney, DeepSeek, and many more, all inside one simple cloud-based dashboard. Imagine having every creative and technical AI you need in one place, working together seamlessly, without coding or switching tabs. You just describe what you want, and the system instantly assigns the right models to handle writing, design, video, or automation. It's like having an entire digital team at your command with a single click. What really caught my attention is that Essence AI doesn't rely on monthly subscriptions. You pay once, and that's it, lifetime access. No tokens, no limits. And every time a new AI model comes out, the system automatically updates itself, so you're never stuck using outdated tools. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, marketer, or small business owner, this setup can save you both time and money while giving you access to the same technology big companies are using. Everything you create with Essence AI is 100% yours, full commercial rights, no royalties, no restrictions. You can write, design, and build products or campaigns faster than ever, all from one dashboard. If you've been looking for a single tool that can handle everything, Essence AI might just be the upgrade your creative workflow needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one.